Okay, so I'm going to walk through a few exam questions. First question that I'm going to walk through, it's asking me to write down the relationship between kinetic energy, mass, and speed. So I'm going to basically find out what kinetic energy equals. I'll write down the equation that I remembered using my triangle. The triangle isn't the answer the board are after. So what we need to do is we need to write in the exact equation in writing. Okay, so that's 1 mark for that question. The next question is saying 9,000 kilograms of water flows 30 meters per second, calculate the total kinetic energy, and it wants the energy in kilojoules. So if you notice in the question it says 1 minute, you can ignore the time because it's for 1 minute in both parts of the question. So I'll put the numbers into the equation I've got above. Remember to square my 30. I'll use my calculator to work out what the answer of that question is. So this is my answer in joules. And now I need to convert to kilojoules. Well, 1 kilojoule is equal to 1,000 joules. So to convert from joules to kilojoules, I'll divide by 1,000. I'll get this new answer. The new answer is then put into there. So where do I get my marks? 1 mark for putting the numbers in, 1 mark for joules, 1 mark for kilojoules, all 3 marks. Next question. The next question is asking about power. This is just a revision thing from last time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the numbers in. So I've got the numbers that I'm taking from the question. I'm using my calculator. I've got my answer. I know that that's in watts. I put the answer in. I get 1 mark for putting the numbers in, 1 mark for the answer. Okay, next question. He wants me to give me an equation for this particular relationship. So again, I write down a new triangle. And this time, because the words are quite big, I'm just going to write it as an equation with letters, and that's fine, 1 mark. Okay, so the next piece of the question. The lift goes up 14 meters, and the total mass of the people is 280. Gives me the gravitational field strength. He wants me to calculate the gravitational potential energy change only for the people, so I don't need the mass of the lift. So I'm going to put the numbers into the equation that I've written above. I'm going to work out that number. Okay, in the question, it tells me it wants 2 significant figures. So what I have to do is I have to write that number for 2 significant figures when there's the answer for that one. So how do I get the marks? 1 mark for the numbers, 1 mark for the thing, 1 mark at the end.